China has stunned the world yet again in the global AI race. First, it was DeepSeek, a breakthrough that turned heads, and now Manus AI is stealing the spotlight. Launched on March 6, 2025 by innovative startup Monica, also known as Butterfly Effect, Manus AI isn't just another chatbot. It's a groundbreaking multi-agent AI that turns your ideas into reality. Manus AI exploded onto the scene with one goal: autonomy. Unlike ChatGPT or Claude, which wait for prompts, Manus acts like a human assistant, but faster. How? Its secret weapon. Imagine a group of specialized AI programs that work together like a well-coordinated team. One agent researches, another codes, a third double-checks errors, mirroring how a team of experts would collaborate. Powered by a mix of China's top AI models, Alibaba's Qwen, and an enhanced Claude 3.7, Manus is more than a simple Q&A tool. It's a problem solver. Looking for sales analysis and strategies for your online store? Manus can deliver detailed insights and a smart strategy. And don't go anywhere. We'll show a live demo of Manus in action later in the video. But before we get to that, let's see how Manus AI stacks up against the competition. When put to the test on the challenging GAIA benchmark, a rigorous standard for measuring AI performance, Manus AI truly excelled. It achieved an impressive 86.5% on Level 1, 70.1% on Level 2, and a standout 57.7% on Level 3, leaving competitors like ChatGPT-4 far behind. But what exactly do those levels represent? These levels are complexity badges, ranging from simple fact checks to multi-step analyses to fully orchestrated expert-level workflows. Let's get practical. In this demonstration, I asked Manus AI to create a dashboard for an e-commerce store's monthly performance, using sample data and theme details in the prompt. Now, let's see how Manus AI performs.
A few moments later.
So, after 13 minutes, Manus AI has finished its process, generated multiple files, and delivered a live preview link for the dashboard. Let's look at what it has built for us. Here's the dashboard. It showcases daily sales trends, and you can see that Manus AI has designed an interactive and user-friendly interface. There's a section for product categories, sales by region, and options to filter by different product categories and segments. If you were to build a dashboard like this the traditional way, it would take many hours, but Manus AI did it in just 13 minutes. I do not doubt that this is truly worth it. What's more, Manus AI provides a downloadable zip file, including React components, styling, and all the files you need to build and run the dashboard locally, or even deploy it yourself. So guys, this is pure genius and a game-changing leap in AI-driven analytics. When Manus AI first blasted onto the scene on March 6, 2025, it was strictly invite-only, and early access codes were fetching thousands on the resale market. But now, that closed-door policy is gone. As of May 2025, Manus is fully open to anyone. You can simply sign up with your Google or Apple account and a quick phone verification, no invite code needed. Now, if I talk about pricing, Manus offers 3 subscription tiers: Basic at $19 a month, plus $39 a month, and Pro at $199 a month. You can view the full pricing details on your screen. In short, Manus AI has made a dramatic shift from hype and scarcity to broad, easy access. An exciting turn that means anyone can now tap into its powerful, agentic intelligence with straightforward sign-up and subscription options. But here's where it gets even more interesting. Manus isn't just a tool, it's a strategic leap forward. While analysts call DeepSeek China's Sputnik moment for rivaling ChatGPT-4 at a fraction of the cost, Manus AI represents the next phase, industrializing autonomous agents that replace workflows entirely. That's it for today's Vision X update on Manus AI. What do you think? Will AI agents like Manus transform how we work, learn, and innovate? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Stay curious, and see you in the next video.